What's up, traders? It's Masood here from London. Traders, I'm going to share with you the result of my market analysis of last week. I shared seven pairs and I predicted, about their movement during the last week. And let's see what happened with these seven pairs. First pair that I shared was gold against dollar. Traders, analyzed gold on a daily time frame, and last, on previous week, gold finished on this daily candle, this bullish blue daily candle, and I predicted that it has broken this structure, and gold could keep on going, towards the downside. And exactly that is what has happened during the last week, and even if you start, how to take the trades, and how you take the confirmations, that basically up to you according to your own strategy. I use break and retest strategy, but let's see how much after my last week, how much gold has traveled towards downside. So even if we take it from here, the gold traveled roughly 255 pips. A bang on brilliant analysis. Next pair that I analyzed was US 30. It's not a pair, but you know, I will honestly share with you all the result. On a daily time frame, I predicted that this pair, will keep on going down, and on 7th, on Monday 7th of last week, Monday 7th of August, it it did break back, upwards the resistance, but then it broke down, then up and down, and basically it went kept on going sideways most of the times. But even there was a bit of a selling opportunity available here. Technically, as soon as the and next day, next candle broke above the analysis becomes invalid. So technically, this analysis of US 30 became invalid anyway. Next pair that I analyzed was USD CAD. Now USD CAD was here previous week on this candle, and I predicted in my market analysis video that you can see on my channel, my market analysis video for last week, that this could keep on going up. And exactly what happened, if even if I you had what the only thing you had to do is take the confirmations on lower time frames and take a trade. And even if analyze from this point onwards, it went up around 116 pips. So another bang on analysis. Next pair was USD CHF that I analyzed. I predicted about that pair that it will keep on going up. It did go up and down. It basically went sideways last week, but last Monday was here, So there was, a bit of pips available in this one, but you can say that it most of the time it kept on going sideways. So technically there was no trade available in this pair. The next pair was NZD CHF. I these are these levels that you can see are from my they are still there from my market analysis video that I analyzed. These markings are all there since then. As you can see that I predicted that this pair will keep on going down, and exactly that's what happened. If you take it even from there, it went down around 71 pips. Huge opportunity. If you are following my market analysis videos, huge opportunity to win a lot of pips. Then the next pair was GBPAUD. I predicted that this will keep on going up, and exactly that's what happened. If even if you take it from there, it went up around 126 pips. Another huge, hugely successful analysis. And then the last pair was AUDJPY that I analyzed in my last week's video, and where's uh, the 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 level structure that the zone that I put has been not here. Probably I have analyzed it again, during the week, and moved it. Where was it last weekend? Here. So yeah, I mean this. I think. Let me put that. Uh, Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. I believe the zone that I put was somewhere here, you know, and I predicted that this pair will keep on going up, but straight away on Monday it broke back up, this resistance level, and the analysis became invalid. So guys, the thing is that my market analysis videos have been helping a lot of traders win thousands and thousands of and $100 and hundreds of pips through my market analysis videos, for following them. My market analysis videos have accuracy of 80 to 85%, which is huge. And also, not only that, but I do live London session streams as well on my YouTube channel, which you can come and earn some free pips, with me there. So the a Telegram group for updates is in the link is in the description, and also, you can just join my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and just free of cost, um, follow my not only market analysis videos, but live London sessions as well, Monday to Friday. Until next video, guys, I'll you know let you go. Look after yourself, and I'll see you in the next video of market analysis tomorrow, hopefully, for the next week. Bye.